Maulana.
I'm not going to say anything here.
Say it, say
I'll
it.
save it for later. Well, a couple of things. I mean, it's partly to challenge you a little bit.
Yeah, good.
Um,
But if you're challenging, do it more loudly, no?
Yeah, I'll do it gently also, which is that in the Indian case, it's kind of false to focus on the BJP as the problem. I think they pulled the nuclear trigger, but the constituency for a nuclear India is not purely Hindu nationalist. There is a broader base in Indian society. I mean, the folks who came together was the believers of Ram, or the ones who claim that they're defending the nation of Ram, and very secular scientists who are also profoundly insecure about modern India and its place in the world. And to sort of simply speak in terms of fanatical nationalists is very problematic. And any comments on that?
Oh yeah, I think you are right about it.
And then the arms race, the other part is the arms race.
I think you are
It's a
right
much
about
older arms race than most.
It is rather striking. If I had given an impression that the testing would never have occurred if the BJP didn't come into office, then I have given the wrong impression. The Indian nuclear program developed much before the BJP was even struggling to come into power. And the first tests in 1974 in Pokhran were carried out by the government of the Indian National Congress. So I don't think it's a BJP problem only. India has Indian ruling elite of all parties have completely renounced the most important of Gandhi's legacy. See, Gandhi's legacy is not merely non-violence. Gandhi's legacy was his insight that power doesn't come from the barrel of the gun. Britain's coercive power Britain's power was based on coercion. And he was struggling, he starts his movement at the time when the pressure in India was for the national movement to go towards armed struggle. His insight was that power comes from organizing people and doing it morally. That insight that moral power can be more powerful than coercive power was the primary achievement of Gandhi. And that achievement, that legacy, the Indian leadership started to renounce under the Indian National Congress itself. The whole notion that India has to be a superpower, those of you who are used to it, I have to tell you a story. 1979, I make my first visit to India. And at that time, Mr. Vajpayee was the foreign minister, who is now the prime minister. And he opened a disarmament conference with me. I and him were the inaugurators of that conference. So he listened to me rather intently, and later on he said, Dr. I agree with everything you say, but you see, India is not like the others, etc. So I said, why are you doing this aircraft business? They had just given a $5 billion contract, I think, I'm not sure of my numbers, to Jaguar. To Jaguar. So I said, why are you doing that? He said, we are the only country, large country, which does not have deep penetration aircrafts. and you should talk to our Prime Minister. So I called up and got an interview with Morarji Desai, who was a follower of Gandhi. He was a devoted follower of Gandhi. And I said, Morarji, why this deep penetration aircraft? He said, of the great powers, only India does not produce its own deep penetration aircraft. I started counting under the table in my feet. I said, what does he mean? United States, Soviet Union, of the four great powers, he said. United States, Soviet Union, China, India. Or what did he have in mind? Britain, India, something. Of the four great powers only. Well, I went to see Mrs. Gandhi. And I said, how do you think, Mrs. Gandhi was in the opposition at the time. So I said, how do you feel things are going? It's very bad, the economy is falling apart. This government is doing nothing, this government is correct, this government is doing that. I said, very good. All its policies, she said, are wrong. So I said, good. What do you think of this contract they have just given to Jaguar? She said, terrible, terrible. The French were much better producers. We should have given a contract. So I said, you do believe in deep penetration aircrafts? Why? She said, of the four great powers. Unbelievable. The idea of India had changed from Gandhi's already. And the end of the Cold War increased that compulsion. I simply, I agree with you there.